Hey everybody, my name is Ed with AVerMedia, and today I'd like to show you some of our great applications of our software that come along with our visualizers. Well, first of all, I'd like to show you something that you can do with the visualizer. One thing you can do is obviously put a piece of paper or a document under the visualizer. And as you can see here on a projector screen, it's nice and clear for everybody to see. And what I've used here is a colored keyboard. And as you know, we might have used this in the old days to learn how to type, and it's kind of non-interactive. So what I'd like to do now is actually show you a great thing we can do with the visualizer. First is actually put a 3D object under the camera. And as you can see, with this laptop you can see a real keyboard. Now that I've done this, I like to switch over to the PC mode so you can see what's actually going on my actual computer here. And now as you can see, this is my desktop, and I'm going to open up the software that comes along with the visualizers. And in just a second here, you're going to see another little screen pop up on my computer. Here you go. And in this screen you can see the keyboard, and I'll open it up to a larger size so it's easier for you to see here. And as you can see, the software comes along with the easy to use control panel. I'm going to move it down here. And on this control panel there's a lot of great functions here. For example, this one that I've highlighted here, you can click this button and record your lessons in the classroom so you can play them back at any time for your students again or anybody. Another great function here is this little A button, which stands for annotations. And once I click this here, I can choose a color and maybe a font size, bigger font size for you guys to see here. And maybe I like to start typing on the actual screen, maybe somewhere right here. For example, hi. I'm Ed. And as you can see, while I'm typing these letters on the screen, students can obviously learn very easily and interactively using the visualizer and the software. Another great thing you can do is play some great games with your students. For example, if you click this little box here, you can select a color, maybe black, if you want to hide some of the keys on the keyboard. For example, I want to hide these letters here. And as you can see on the screen, I'm blacking out some of the letters of the keyboard. And you're probably wondering why I'm doing this. Obviously this is a great way to test your students' knowledge of learning how to type correctly on a keyboard. Maybe if I want to ask Johnny in the front row to come up to the front of the classroom and try practicing how to type on the keyboard, or maybe kind of quiz him to see his learning curve. He might say, oh, I might ask him, say, Johnny, what do you think this letter is? Can you remember? And he might say R. As you can see, R is right there, but just doing this for example. Maybe I'll click the erase button and erase this box here to see what letter it actually is. And as you can see, it's W. So this is a great tool and a great way to test your students' learning. And as you know, this is only part of the control panel and what you can do with our AVerVision software and our visualizers. To learn more about how to use our visualizers and the software more intuitively and more interactively in the classroom, you can visit our website at www.avervision.com. Thanks for watching.